In this video, I will be demonstrating a new sink mounting device. It's called a Sinkits sink clamp. These clamps are designed to be fast and easy to prep and install. They are on average 4 times faster than other methods for mounting sinks, and time is money. Put marks about 5/8 of an inch from the edge of the sink. Drill the holes with a hammer drill, 3000 RPM minimum, using a percussion bit, 1/4 inch percussion bit, or you can use a non-coring bit on a CNC or a polisher. For filming purposes, we are going to be installing this sink with the countertop upside down. You just simply pull the preload tab down, insert the Sinkit into the hole. Do that on all 4 edges. And with that preloaded, the clamps will stay in the hole without falling out. You just simply tighten it down. That's it.